Good morning, Dr. Mousat here. I'm going to do a quick review of the Oral-B Vitality Plus here. I've bought it, so I've got a spare toothbrush around at my partner's house, and I thought I'd give this cheaper version a try. So what do we have in the box? Well, first of all, we have the instructions here. We don't really need those, they're pretty straightforward. We have a warranty card, and once we go inside the box we have the base unit itself here, quite straightforward. In this box here we have a power pack, we'll come to that later, and it also comes with two heads. These are the heads. Now, at the bottom of the head you can see there's a coloured ring. That is actually quite a nifty feature because it means that two people can use the same toothbrush but with different heads, and you can remember whose head is whom. This one's yellow, the other one's pink. So how does it all work? Very straightforward. First of all you have to charge it. So we'll unplug the charger, and here it is. The toothbrush, quite simply, to charge, slots onto the charger like so, and it's plugged in. Now, it comes with a razor plug. Now, I don't know if it's me, but I have tried this plug on about 3 different razor sockets and it doesn't work. I don't know why that is. It might be that my razor sockets are faulty, but I've had to buy one of these. Which fits the razor in there, if you can see, and that plugs into a normal main socket, and that allows the toothbrush to charge. Now, the charging time on this toothbrush is about 16 hours, so it's quite mammoth, and this is probably one of the things I'd mark it down for, because nothing should take that long to charge these days. But if you put it onto the charger every time you clean your teeth, shouldn't be a problem. I don't. I tend to let it run down and then charge it all in one go, which is why it takes 16 hours. Now, to work, it's fairly straightforward. Once it is charged, you take out the head. This one's mine, it's got the pink end on it. And you quite simply just slot it onto the toothbrush here, like that. When you want to use it, all you do is press the on button. Now you can hear it buzzing. It's very clever the way it works. It's based on a 2-minute cycle, and it will keep buzzing like that for 30 seconds while you do the inside bottom of your teeth. Then it will go to another 30 seconds while you do the top inside of your teeth, and then 2 further 30-second segments, one for the top outside and one for the bottom outside, so that you ensure you do the full 2 minutes every single time, which is really quite nifty. Now, what I like about this toothbrush, I've just turned it off, is that it's relatively cheap. Now, my other toothbrush, which is also Oral-B, is the all singing, all dancing one that cost about £150. That's got Bluetooth connectivity, so it basically comes with kind of a clock with a display, and that tells you which quadrant of your teeth you're cleaning at each time to make sure you've done the full 2 minutes. But to be honest, that is a gimmick, because once you've used this one, the cheaper one, you very, very quickly become aware of the 4 sections of the teeth clean. So I wouldn't spend the extra money, to be honest. This one functions just as well. The clean is as good, and it's about £130 cheaper, so it's not worth it. Now, what I would say is I'm not so keen on with this. There is no charging light, so you don't know when it's fully charged. But then again, just keep it on there, and if you're charging it after every clean, that shouldn't make a difference whatsoever. So yeah, all in all, very good product, and I hope you've enjoyed watching this review. Thank you for your time.